Hello and welcome back to another video with Mommy's Designs and DIYs. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a CBD painless ointment in a tube. And it's a very easy project that you can make at home. So what we're going to be using, we're going to use any coconut oil. We're using 3.5 ounces of that. And then we're going to be using 1 tablespoon of beeswax. I got these at Michael's. It was a 12 ounce, and I'm going to be putting some of the information in the description below. And we're going to be using, I get this oil, let me see right here. I get this oil for $49.99. It's a 1,000 milligram and a 15 milliliters. But if you are interested in finding out, in learning how to get it at wholesale price with no auto ship necessary, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. Okay, this product is organic and is FDA registered. What it means when you say FDA registered, it means that if we're saying that it has 1,000 milligrams, it does have 1,000 milligrams and it is organic. So I can give you more information about this. This is 1,000 milligrams. We're going to be using half of a bottle, which is going to be 500 milligrams. If you want to pour the whole thing, you can do that. Okay. We're going to be using from the same company a lavender oil. Super concentrated and organic. We're going to be using 20 drops of this, and we're going to be able to fill in a container like this, and I'm going to put in the description below where I got them from. And then I'm going to have a little extra that I'm going to be able to put in here. Believe it or not, I got this at 4 in a little baggie at the 99 at the Dollar Tree. I'm sorry. That's where I got this. That's very handy. Okay, I usually sell this in my store, but unfortunately my store right now is closed because of the virus. But and I usually like put a label here with the directions and the ingredients and all of that. I'm gonna put a link above of how I make my labels. Okay, so you can learn if you use them for resale. So now I'm gonna get ready and I'm gonna move to the stove so that you can so that I can show you how it's done. See you in a second. Okay, here we are. I already started the process. So I have my stove at very low heat. You like to do all these things at low heat. You can also pop it in the microwave. And while this melts, I already have it had it like halfway, but all the ingredients are in here. Just while it gets ready, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about why I'm so excited about CBD. I was diagnosed with chronic pain about 8 years ago, and I went to chiropractors, not to say anything bad about them, but it just, my body didn't respond to chiropractors, massage therapy, and I did quite a few things and it didn't work out. In addition to that, I fell from the roof about maybe 4.5 years ago, and I landed on my back where I have chronic pain. I didn't break any bones, thank God, but I suffer from chronic pain like in the top part of my shoulders and my back. Usually, when I go through a stress because my back gets swollen, I apply this. I put it in my hands and I apply it on my neck, and believe it or not, the pain goes away within 3 minutes. And not only does it help with the pain, but it's so relaxing because of the lavender. So if you want more information about that, I've been using it for a while and it works better than an ibuprofen, I can tell you that. And you don't have to damage your stomach with all these medications. Okay, so my oil is already done. If you can tell, it's just a little bit in the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and pour it. I'm going to put turn off my stove, and here it is. I'm a left-handed, so it makes it a little harder for me, but I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in here until I get to the top. And like I said, I usually sell them in my store. They have 500 milligrams of the CBD oil, and I sell them for $39.99. So see, there it is, and you're just going to set it aside. And then the rest of it, I'm going to pour it in here Okay, so here we are back. It's been an hour. I put him in the refrigerator for an hour. And if you can see, this is how it looks. Okay, so you can just apply, see how nice and thick it is. And you can apply it. It also moisturizes because of the lavender. So here it is. If you live in an area where it's too hot, you might want to put it in the refrigerator. It's a very nice consistency. Okay, and then the other one right here. Okay, so you just put it in your purse, and whenever you need it, you can just rub it and rub on your neck or your back or whatever it is that you have pain. Okay, so here's both of them. Okay, with the amount that I gave you in the description, this is what I was able to do. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. If you can give me thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Share it. This is a great product with CBD that is wonderful for pain relief. So until the next time, have a blessed afternoon. Thank you.